For today's lesson, we will talk about different types of building plan. Common floor plan symbols. Unlocking content vocabulary. Plan refers to a detailed proposal for achieving something or carrying out a specific task. Symbol, a mark that represents or stands for an abstract idea. Diagram, a symbolic representation of information using visualization technique. Types of building plans. There are several types of building plans used in construction. Let's explore some of them. First is the site plan. Site plan is the initial design created for any project, representing the entire layout of the construction site. It includes the location of all buildings and other features on the property. This plan provides an overview of how the structures will be situated on the land. The site plan shows the building's position on the plot, boundaries, access roads, landscaping, utility connections, and compliance with zoning laws. Floor plan is a scale diagram of the arrangement of rooms in one story of a building. Floor plan is a horizontal cut view of the building showing rooms, walls, doors, windows, and circulation spaces. The different types of floor plans are the following. Open floor plans. These combine the living space and kitchen into one large room, promoting family togetherness. B. Closed floor plans. Each room is a separate space, offering more privacy. Then letter C. Split-level floor plans. These feature a big open space on one level and bedrooms on a different level, balancing privacy and visibility. Structural plan provides a comprehensive view of the building's structural aspects. It includes details about load-bearing walls, columns, beams, and other structural elements. Terrace plan, it focuses on outdoor spaces like balconies, terraces, and rooftops. It outlines the layout, materials, and features of these elevated areas. Cross-section plan shows a vertical slice through the building, revealing its internal structure. It helps visualize how different floors and components relate to each other. Cross-section plan is a vertical cut through the building, showing internal components like floors, walls, staircases, and roof. Elevation plan are views of the building's exterior from different angles. They showcase architectural details such as windows, doors, and decorative elements. Elevation plan is the external view of the building's facade from different sides: front, rear, left, right. Landscape drawing plan focus on the outdoor landscape, including gardens, pathways, and green spaces. Landscape plans consider aesthetics, functionality, and environment factors. In other words, landscape plan includes the gardens, pathways, outdoor features, and environmental design. Number 1. A scale diagram of the arrangement of rooms in one story of a building. The answer is floor plan. Number 2. This shows the vertical slice through the building, revealing its internal structure. The answer is cross-section plan. Number 3. The initial design created for any project, representing the entire layout of the construction site. The answer is site plan. Number 4. This plan focuses on outdoor spaces like balconies, terraces, and rooftops. The answer is terrace plan. Number 5. This provides a comprehensive view of the building's structural elements. The answer is structural plan.